Hello guys, welcome once again to Fish Academy. Yeah, today I have some fish I have to supply at the moment, and this tank has been counted right here. This is the tank where I'm going to supply fish from this tank immediately. I'm going to transfer them using this rubber as usual, as you have been seeing in my video. So let's go there. I believe the person that owns is the person that I need to supply is the one calling at the moment, and let's hear her. Hello. Yeah, good morning, ma. Yes, I'm almost on my way. Okay. Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there before 8. All right. Okay, I'll try my best now. I'm already in the farm. All right. So I have to rush and make it to our place before 8 o'clock. Wow. So that is how it goes. So this is the fish. In here we have 4,500. She paid for 4,000, but I'm going to give her 4,500. I've already discharged the water, so it's for me to pack the fish now. The person that I've just called is by name Mrs Chinda. Mrs Chinda happens to be one of my subscribers who has been following me on this channel for a very long time. But of recent, she watched how I supply fish to Mr. Austin in Aba, Abia State, the Enyimba city, and she decided to put a call through that she also needs fish in her farm, that I should be the one to supply her, that she has been watching me, that she appreciates my good work, that this time she need to patronize me. So as she called me, she put a call through some days ago, and yesterday all I need was to count the fish from the nursery, and I now save it in I now store it in one of the white tank. So the fish already have been counted, so it's just for me to remove them and then take it to our farm. But it have to be on or before 8 o'clock this morning. I'm already sweating. It's hamatan here, but I'm already sweating, all because I need to meet up target. How do you enter your tank? When you're entering your tank, especially those ones that contain fingerlings, you ensure you drop down with your toe, your toe, and not your full foot. You drop down with your toe so that you won't mash the fish. So if you are new on this channel, all you need to do is for you to click on the subscribe button below this video. There's a red button there, just click on it. Once you click on it, once it is successful, a notification button will appear. All you also need to do is to click on the notification button in order for you to be notified whenever I bring a new video. This is fish, thousands of fish for the first time. This
thousands of
fish moving it, thousands of fish. Thousands of fish. Also need things like this. Do you need it? When do you want me to supply you? All you need to do is for you to call me on +2348069035397, and I will bring it right to your farm. In case I will supply it in your farm, I will bring it to your farm so that if anything happen, I know that it's on my head. But I'll assure you, at any time I arrive your farm, I don't always supply fish that are not healthy. I usually supply healthy fish, because in my farm I know how to treat them, and I know how to make them look smart. I know how to make them healthy at all times. So my fish are always very lively, always very smart, and not just smart, fast growing fish. That is the fish I used to supply to people. I don't supply stunted fish. I don't supply fish that won't grow, because if I should supply you fish that don't grow, and otherwise you won't buy fish from me again. So all I need to do is to supply you fast growing fish. And people that have been buying from me have testimonies. Even on if you check the comment box on some of my videos, many people have been testifying of the fish I've been supplying to them. My recent testimony is from Mrs Esther, who based in Italy but have a farm here in Delta State, Nigeria, and I'm also working closely to ensure she succeeds, she make profit from her farm. So this is it. Just do all you need to do. On this channel there are so many videos, just click on it. So many videos, over 200 videos. Click on the one that interests you. Share the ones that you like your friends and fellow farmers to be aware of. Share with them. Share through your Twitter handle, your WhatsApp, your everything. Just share. You can even share on YouTube here. Share it with your friends so that other people will see and learn the same way you've seen and learning. So let's go ahead. Just watch this video to the end. It's very, very educative. Don't forget, we are also at the end of this video, we are going to I'm going to take you from here. We'll be moving to Mrs Chinda's farm, and it's going to be covered. I'm moving to Mrs Chinda's farm from here. Alright, so I want to transfer them in here now. So I have to rush to ensure I deliver this fish before my client goes to work, because I know she would like to see it while I'm putting it inside the pond. But time is not on my side, but you can see I'm very fast. I counted the fish that was yesterday, but I couldn't send it to her yesterday because of I didn't finish on time, so I have to wait. I have to wait till this morning. Don't forget, I counted them from my where my nursery is, and whenever I'm selling fish, I count it a day before I transfer it. So whenever I count, I put them inside here. Inside here, I still have another fish that I'm going to supply, as I said earlier. Maybe earlier today or later tomorrow. But for today, this one is going to Elele1. Elele1 is in Port Harcourt, not quite far. Wow, they're very smart. Can you see? Very smart, agile, healthy, very smart. I sell smart fish at the cheapest price, and I like surprising my customers. I do give them enough fish. I mean enough fish. That's what I used to give to my customers, and they're always very happy. Okay, I'm gonna put some in here. You may want to know why I added water. Why I added water to it after I removed them. That's why I added water to this rubber. I just needed them to have enough space to swim around. That's why I added water, for more oxygen, for more everything that will make them comfortable. Wow. In case you need, all you need to do is for you to book down. Just book down, and you have yours. You can pay at any time. So wow, that's everything, and I need to move them immediately because my client is waiting for me. I need to meet the target of 8 a.m. So thank you very much. Let's move straight to the farm. Hello guys, yes, as I said earlier, this is Miss Chinda, Mrs. Pauline Chinda's farm, and the fish have just arrived to the farm. And Miss Chinda, you requested you paid for, or what you needed was 4,000 fish, but being that I have them enough in my farm, I've decided to give you 4,500 fish. Why I gave you 4,500 fish is so that when it's time for you to sell those smaller ones, you count it among the jara, the extra that I'm giving you. So I don't know, you met me online and you ordered. You gave me time, I work with time. Also, you say you work with time, I also work with time. I have to ensure that I come here before 8 o'clock, and I'm happy I'm here before 8 o'clock. So these are the fish. I think from the one we've put in so far, there is no dead one inside, no mortality. So let's keep putting the fish into the pond. This is it. Very healthy, very smart. know, whenever you supply fish, you have to ensure you remove the old water. You don't pour it with the old water. You have to turn out the old water. That is what I'm doing at the moment. And Miss Chinda's farm is here in Mrs Chinda's farm is here in Port Harcourt. Not quite far from my farm, like 45 minutes drive. And I was to supply her this fish together with the fish food, but I forgot the fish food inside the taxi booth. But I believe maybe if God should touch the taxi man, he will bring the food to the farm. So let's just be hoping.
We put them together now. Otherwise, other times I used to. Why you keep on?
You say?
I said, since you say I should put it together now.
Yeah, the day you saw, they should be here. This is a fish, and Mother, I would like you to look closely if there is any dead fish inside the water.
No, I don't see. They're okay. They look active.
Okay. The fish, they are agile, active. There is no mortality. As they are now, my fish, they are hungry fish. They eat anytime. I wish the food is here now. Just put food, they will begin to eat. So you can see.
Okay, I was thinking of feeding the evening.
Yeah, that is the time. But if that man don't come with the feed, just call me. I'll bring some feed for you, so that I feed them with it. So this is it. This is a farm. So in case you also need something like this, you know exactly what to do.
Yeah. Place order as I did.
Yeah, place order the same way she did, and it will be delivered to you anyway on time. Yeah, so thank you very much.
Time is very
Behind the camera is your name?
Jennifer.
Jennifer, the daughter to Mrs Chinda.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming.
So I wish you all the best. I wish you success.
Thank you.
And may this fish grow. One thing that I usually assure my customers, once I supply fish to you, the fish is yours, it's also mine.
Yes.
So I will also, anytime maybe there is any emergency, call on me. I will come to ensure that nothing happens to the fish. That is how I do my thing.
Right.
So always call me, let me know how the fish, how they are doing, and I know in my own, I know what to do at any time. Understand? So that is it. All right.
Thank you.
All right.